Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and today I'm going to talk to you about how to cool a house without using an air conditioner. Now one of the best methods to cool a house is with ceiling fans, box fans, and table fans. The more air you can move around, the better it's going to feel. It's going to create a nice breeze through there. With these table fans, they're convenient to place on counters and stuff like that. With box fans, you can put them in windows, especially if you have a window that is in the shade. You can help pull in that temperature, which is about 10 degrees cooler than the window that's in the sun. Another thing you can do to cool your house is to install ceiling fans. Ceiling fans help push down all the air that is up in the room and help disperse it so it gets a circular motion going with the air that's going through the room. Another thing you can do is through the heat of the day, pull the blinds down. Don't allow that hot sun to shine into the house and warm up the floors, because that floor is going to radiate that heat straight up and into your living areas. Something else you can do is in the cool of the night, go ahead and open up those windows and pull a lot of that cool air in using your ceiling fans and your box fans to help cool down the house. Then when the sun rises, go ahead and shut those windows and drop your blinds. That way all that air that is through the cool of the night is in your house and you've trapped it in there, and you're continually circulating it so it doesn't get too hot. Using ceiling fans is a great way to cool your house when air conditioners aren't an option. It can also help you lower your electric bill if you do have air conditioners. Thank you all for watching and good luck with this project.